In each area, the choice is suitable to the view and differing levels of privacy. Here, the low ceiling height strengthens the horizon and the expanse of downtown LA. Visualized above, a transitional living space in Chicago includes a neutral color combination and a fireplace for added heat. An equestrian painting by Ashley Collins can be seen in the surrounding dining area. It won the 2011 BILT Award for Finest Model House. This historical limestone home and coach home in a landmark district on Astor Street in Chicago, Illinois was built in the late 1800s. An elegant formal enclosed living room features a custom-made developed plaster mold that was fabricated by a Chicago plaster business and set up and finished on S. Claudia Pimenta Patricia Franco, 2. Muse Interiors, 3. Michael Abrams Limited, 4. Architima, 5. Jones Clayton Construction, 6. Martin Lawrence Bullard Design, 7. Dream Style Studio, 8. Zillow, 9. The Sitting Room, 10. Gemma Zimmer Hansel Interior Decoration, 11. Peter Mikich, 12. Jane Lockhart Interior Decoration, 13. Midwest House Magazine, 14. Nuevo Estilo, 15. Mila Design, 17. El Mueble, 18. McCroskey Interiors, 19. Interiors by Stephen G., 20. Garrison Hullinger Interior Decoration, 21. Kolnick, 22. Jane Lockhart Interior Decoration, 23. Catherine Staples Interiors, 24. SHH Studio, 25. Chastillon Desjardins, 26. Inside Style House and Style, 27. JTM Interiors, 28. Possibilities for Style, 29. Michael Kyle Photography, 30. Bravo Interior Decoration, 32. Pichet Style, 33. Grossman Photography, 34. Mary Cook Associates, 35. Studio Polyphacete Designers, 36. Michael Abrams Limited, 37. Jane Lockhart Interior Decoration, 38. Space Studio. In standard living room, the pieces do not all need to match, but they need to definitely relate to each other in regards to style, shape, and total weight like they perform in this charming room developed by McGrath 2. While a unique piece can definitely be incorporated as contrast or a declaration piece, don't wander off too far from the conventional standard. California Cottage Lounge for designer Patrick Printy, his bungalow in Oakland, California is all about eccentric style. In this living area connected to his research study, a pair of vintage sofas are upholstered in a Ralph Lauren house stripe, the Eero Saarinen table is from Design Within Reach, bar stools by CB2 are covered in a Katie Ritter fabric, the ceiling lantern is by Visual Comfort, the carpet is by Ralph. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.